Welcome back. So today I got something pretty special for you guys because I have yet to show this strategy on this channel. But I mean, I'm getting a lot of support now, I'm getting more subscribers, so I'm trying to dive more deeper into my strategies. So this is going to be a new strategy. It's honestly one of my favorite models that I like to trade every single day on New York Open. So as you can see, this is a trade that I ended up taking today. It was honestly a perfect trade because the August price action is trash. Oh my god, the worst price action in the world. But yeah, so let's dive into this trade. Let's clear up the charts and let me show you exactly what went through my mind and why I decided to enter the trade. So, first, we have a buy side, sell side liquidity. Now, this sell side, why is it so important? Well, because of course, NAS and ES, the two correlated assets, we had a SMT. So that shows us a divergence in the market because NAS and ES are supposed to follow each other. But when there's a divergence, one making a higher low and one making a lower high, then there's something wrong. They're not following each other, which means there's going to be a rebalance. So we have that SMT, very nice. Now, what else do we see? Well, on the 15-minute, I believe it was on. Let me make sure. Yeah, the 15-minute, we also had a fair value gap right here. Or we can also count this one over here, but I wouldn't really be too crazy about it because the candle's actually closed below. But here on this 15-minute fair value gap, we actually have the wick that got respected. So perfect 15-minute fair value gap. So aligning the time frames, you have the 1 hour buy side, sell side with the SMT. Then we have the 15-minute fair value gap that got respected. Now let's look for our entry. Drop down to the 1 minute. Let's push back time over here. Now, what do we see? First thing we see is, okay, right here, we just took out a second sell side. So this is already interesting now. Now I see we're playing inside of this little fair value gap. Now, what I see, 1 and 2. So what is this telling me? We have a manipulation leg because we made a new low. And on that freaking big push down that made that new low is our manipulation leg. That's our market structure shift. Now, what do? Well, we be patient because that's the key thing in the market is to be patient. Now, we can take this entry right here and stop loss goes right below here. Standard deviation from the lows to the market structure shift. And we're going to go up here to the -2. But we get a 1.3 RR, not really too good. So we're not going to take that right there. But what we could do is from the highs, to the lows, what do we see there? Oh my God, why did I delete it? From the highs to the lows, what do we see? The 0.5. And where is that 0.5? That 0.5 is right at this fair value gap. So 0.5 fib. Now let's wait. Bang. That's our entry. Take our buys, stop right below the lows, take profit right at that -2. And guys, it's honestly as simple as that. So just before we actually take profit, what I want to show you guys, the second you come to this -1, you go right to break even. Why? Because this -1 could be a rejection point. We could come up here and reject down. So just to be careful, we already have a strong move, which is showing that our analysis was correct. So go to break even, play it safe. And right here, you can actually take some partials if you would like, but it was obviously a very strong move, and that's our take profit. So align the assets. Look how beautiful this is. Sell side, SMT, 15-minute fair value gap. Once this 15 gets put in place, look how beautiful it got respected. Look at this. Just wicked on the 15-minute time frame. Beautiful. Then 1 minute, sell side, taken. Manipulation, taken. On top of it, SMT on the manipulation, taken. Then we also had that market structure shift, showing us that we are moving from the downtrend to an uptrend. Then get a better RR, look for that strong push that made the fair value gap with the zero point 0.5 fib, take the entry, and well, you're gonna be happy on the results. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I don't want to make it too long. And guys, that's honestly as simple as it is. You can take this strategy and become a freaking millionaire. Like you can pass as many funded accounts as you want. And bro, it's honestly as simple as that. It's a beautiful strategy. It's shown quite often in the market, and you'll be very happy with your results. So do me a favor, go back test. Just do it. Go back test this strategy, and you will be extremely happy with the results. So leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments. And also, if you guys are interested, thinking about starting a Discord, so we have a bit of a community going on, nice place to chat. If you guys are interested, let me know in the comments, and I hope you guys have a beautiful, beautiful day.